welcome back again to Cybernous YouTube channel. And today I'm so glad to introduce you guys to Qhayum sir, who has cleared CISSP. And let's all hear about his CISSP success journey as well as his CISSP success story from him. So, Qhayum sir, welcome to the call and
Thank you,
many
ma'am.
congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. And this congratulations is it's been shared with many peoples, including
Yeah.
entire team of Cybernous. Especially Manoj sir, because he has stood up in the entire journey, because he has something which has brought up unique to this journey of CISSP. So this is very important, because CISSP itself, it is not a certification, what I feel, because it is a complete journey itself. It doesn't give you it's not just kind of a paper certification, because you have to have a complete mindset. You have, where you need to prepare yourself. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to give up a lot of things. If you're a family person, you have to give a lot of things. You have to sacrifice things. You have to sacrifice space, with the families. You have to dedicatedly give your time. Along with that, the special thing which I wanted to really highlight is people like us who are part, working day in, day out, day out. We don't get much time to prepare ourselves and give us time, give us a time for own studies or anything else, such, if you really want to achieve something. So you always look out something, that someone can help you, someone can guide you, someone can mentor you, someone can track you. So I think when I was looking out for something else, something that popped up on LinkedIn stating that someone has cleared it on a first attempt. So I thought, it's something which was in my mind from since long time. So I just wanted to you know be part of this institute, part of mentorship, someone giving me some guidance, keeping checking my track, whether I'm really doing it, how much I'm doing it. It's the wonderful thing is, it's in 100 days of journey, where you have given a LMS access portal, which has a lot of videos, which has a lot of content into it, relevant content which is required for you to clear the CISSP. So the you have PDFs, you have quizzes. The very good part of the core part, I would say, of Cybernos is nothing but weekly gym sessions. So you really get a time to measure your weekly study that you have done for a week, for 1 week, what else you have done, and what is that something. So here on the weekend sessions, you measure yourself, which is very important, because if you do a self study, so you cannot measure your own, you cannot judge your own self. There has to be someone who can guide you in your judgment, who can give you the guidance where you're lagging, where is something, there is always, we are stuck somewhere. We want someone to push us, right? So I think Cybernauts does that very, in a good manner, because you have a lot of people, experienced people who are actually working in the industry. The other good part out of it is you get to connect with the people, where you try to understand what is their thought process. They will also come up with their own experiences. When I was part of this journey, there were a lot of peoples in the same my batch. So their experiences gave me more edge towards the technical thought of it. The very important thing is, when CISSP is all about the mindset. And it's not a 3 hours of certification, because that 3 hours, that completely judges your how you take the decisions with that specific mindset, and how competent you are to take that decision in that particular pressurized scenario. If someone comes in, there is a breach in an organization where you have 40,000 employees. So how are you going to take a decision? How are you going to give that inputs to the management, right? So you until and unless you understand the roles and responsibilities, the accountabilities, who it is doing what, is something has to be taught to you. It's a learning process. It is something, it doesn't come after just reading some books or something. So there has to be a preparation for you on that. So I think CISSP and Cybernous does a very good thing, where you have to trust the process, you have to follow the mentor. So I think that is one of the best thing. You can trust it, because I have, not just me, it's hundreds of peoples who are daily joining the Cybernous. They have really benefited out of it. I have benefited out of it. I really want you to get that benefit out of it. The only thing is you. Cybernous teams. Manoj sir doesn't leave you alone. That is one thing, but you have to give that time. No, I cannot trust. I cannot much say about giving time, because you are not giving time to others. You are giving time to yourself, right? You're giving time to yourself to come up to that pyramid, to reach to that a mountain. Definitely it's your struggle. In that struggle there is a guide, mentor, and everything that you call his Manoj from Cybernous. Definitely you can trust him, because he has polished many of the persons like me. So yes, ma'am, that was something which I wanted to really come up, something which my thought process. It's nothing which it's my feeling which I wanted to tell you today.
Thank you so much, Qhayum sir, for sharing your honest feeling towards Manoj sir as well as towards Cybernos. And we are so glad to see your success. And many congratulations once again, and thank you for joining this call. And
Thank you,
guys, if
ma'am.
you are also there, struggling with CISSP preparation, do reach out Cybernos for achieving your goal. The number may be reflecting on the screen. And yes, at last, don't forget to share, like, subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.